Welcome to One Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your GWR account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in GWR Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your email address and your password. And if you are new to GWR, you can click on this link to create a new account. Once you have created an account, go ahead and enter your email address. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover your account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on this button and you will be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.